Here's a 2013 Chevrolet Tahoe. This award-winning SUV is where premium style and purposeful capability collide. Features include Vortec engine, dual-zone climate control, integrated navigation system with voice activation, auto-dimming rearview mirror, heated steering wheel, memory exterior door mirror settings, external memory control, trailer hitch receiver, memory pedal settings, and heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. Of the Tahoe, Edmunds.com comments, its handsome cabin with impressive fit and finish, comfortable ride, smooth powertrain can accommodate up to 9 passengers. Performance, value, durability, Chevy. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.